Hello friends, welcome everyone to Precision Price Action Pro Trader series. The topic for today is why price action is superior. Why do you guys think price action is superior? Any thoughts? So let's talk about some of the real truths and facts about price action. That's a typical candlestick chart where price makes up and down movements based on the momentum, based on the domination of buyers and sellers. Correct? In price action, there are strictly no indicators in this world of price action trading. Price action traders doesn't believe in any indicators. And if you ask me personally, I don't believe in any indicators. I only believe on the four fundamental aspects of a transaction in a market. When a buyer and seller does a transaction in the stock market, four things happen. Four things is stamped: price, time, volume, open interest. It's always price, time, volume for the normal equity markets, open interest for the derivatives. So why do you think, or why should I think, that price action trading is a journey without indicators? How many of you know every indicator in the world is a derivative of price itself? To talk about milk, paneer, curd, kova, coffee, okay, buttermilk, badam milk, everything is a byproduct of milk. If price is milk, then all your indicators are like your paneer, kova and other things. It is just a derivative of price. Price is the only truth and is always driven by the dynamics of the daily supply and demand. There are millions of traders every day fighting for dominance in the market. One side there are buyers, one side there are sellers. They keep fighting each other. There will be solid tug of war between the two, and whoever comes in large numbers on that particular day will dominate that particular moment. We will control that day. We will manage that day. Price is happening now. Price is not something which happened in past. That is historic price. There is future price, but price is always something which happens at that very moment. An indicator is always behind price. It doesn't travel with price. Hence, you are always in the present and never in the past or the future. And why do you think, or why does anyone think that price action is superior to indicators? There are multiple reasons. Every indicator in the planet is a function of price. Okay? All indicators. It is a function of price. If you ask me, I can always write like this. Your indicator is a function of price. That's it. Okay? They are always delayed. Price tells the truth well in advance. Your indicator follows the price. It has a formula. RSI has a formula. Stochastics has a formula. Moving average has a formula. Ichimoku has a formula. Everything calculates something. If you ask me personally, among all the indicators on this planet, I like one indicator which is Ichimoku because it is one beautiful versatile indicator which talks about past, present, future. It gives you a holistic view of market. And today I don't use that also because I love price action. Price is like live cricket. You'll enjoy. There is emotion, there is greed, there is fear, there is excitement. But when you watch highlights, you don't get anything because you already know what has happened in the match. How many of you celebrate highlights of cricket and how many of you celebrate the live match? Price brings the excitement and the dynamics of live cricket, whereas all your indicators are like highlights of that match. It doesn't carry any weight. Since they are delayed, they will destroy your edge in long run and reduce your risk to reward scenarios. And let me tell you, if there is any smart, talented trader who made some money using some moving average and some indicator, the credit always goes to that trader and not to that indicator. Suppose if tomorrow Kohli or Rohit Sharma hits a century, the credit goes to those two guys. The credit never goes to their bats. Okay? If PV Sindhu wins a tournament, the credit doesn't go to that shuttle racket. The same thing holds good here. If somebody makes a fortune using those indicators, the credit should only go to that great person. And according to me, the success rate of all these so-called indicators is low. There are traders who trade for few years and finally come to a conclusion that indicators don't work, and then they will mature themselves to price action trading. This is the logical journey of any trader. Moving average crossover is the most confusing indicator in this planet. There is one price, over and above there is one moving average, there is one medium, small, intermediate, both lines going here and there, creating a beautiful piece of art, but finally it will never help a trader. And don't ever trade the golden crossover, the death crossover kind of scenario. They are of no use. I can quantify and prove it. It always gives signal very late without considering the current facts about the market. That is a problem with most of these indicators. They are very lagging. If tomorrow fire happens, the indicator will tell you tomorrow that, sir, yesterday there was a fire. When fire happens, you need to bring it down. Okay? So, the whole idea of price action is you are directly watching price. And watching price is always a very, very difficult phenomenon. Why? Is because in case of indicator, there is something which helps you. Price above moving average, price above RSI 30, price below stochastics 30. You have a clarity. In price action, there is nothing. There is only one bunch of candlesticks moving up and down. You need to make your decision based on that. That is why it is very challenging. That is why it is very difficult. But every one of you should realize that in the middle of difficulty lies the opportunity. I repeat, in the middle of difficulty only lies the opportunity. 99% traders in the planet only use indicators, only 1% use price action, and you should be a part of that 1%. Why? Because market never honors the guys who follow the crowd. The guy who steps aside and makes his own move, he will make a impact on the market. Today we do trading, we manage a sizable fund only because we are quant guys. We have a rule, we have a systematic process. You can call us anything: algo traders, quant traders, systematic traders, mechanical traders, rule-based traders. All these things holds good. Why? There's absolutely no discussion. Alright, with this we come to the end of this session, and I will come back to you with yet another very interesting session tomorrow with some more blossoming moments. Alright, so until then, signing off, Ashok Devanampriya from Traders Gurukul. Thank you.